ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gardening for the Soul. Dose. We're going to start off by digging a nice big old roly-poly-oly-holy for this episode's main cat, a pot marigold. We've got quite a few of them to plant, so sit back and relax as we tuck these pot marigolds in and tuck this soil in, make sure it's nice compact. There we go. Got 'em. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our next one and start digging this hole. I recommend getting a metal shovel because this plastic one broke, so it'll be much easier when you garden for your soul. So that soil's nice good, and we're gonna put our nice pot marigold in there and make sure it's all surrounded with its nice soil and its nice new home. Okay, so now we're moving on to our next one. We're gonna make sure it's nice and tucked into its new home, just like we did with number 1 and 2. So make sure you spread the love into the soil and make sure it's at home and feeling comfortable in your soul. So now we're going to move on to our next plant, which happens to be a Spanish bluebell. That's pretty neat. So make sure it's nice and comfy in there and pat the soil down like we did with our other ones. Oh, there we go. Looks nice and tight in his new home. So now we're going back to the pot marigold. So we're gonna dig us a nice old hole for this big old pot marigold. And you might notice that this one's orange. Congratulations. You're not colorblind and you can see orange. So now we're gonna use our half-ass shovel and tuck this pot marigold into its new home. There we go. Now we're gonna move on to watering them. Make sure they get the nutrients they deserve and need. There we go. Give it a nice little shower. Don't forget your Spanish bluebell. It needs a little water too. Now we're going to move on to our last pot marigold, our orange one. Gotta make sure it's all nice and quenched. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to have a little look-see-poo at our garden. See that plant? That's a bleeding heart. That's my baby. Kermit always keeps an eye on him. Well, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gardening for the Soul. Bye.